Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get quick study notes from ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now click on Try ChatGPT. If you want to get quick, effective study notes from ChatGPT, here I'm gonna show you few tips on how to frame your question for the best result. So let's get started. I'm giving you some tips and tricks. You just have to follow this. Number 1. Be specific with your topic. Example: can you summarize the main points of the French Revolution? Here is your answer. Number 2. Request organized points. Example: can you summarize the main points of digestive system in bullet points? Let's see the answer. Here is ChatGPT's output. Number 3. Ask for simplification or key terms. Example: can you simplify the key points of Newton's laws for a quick review? Let's search the answer. And the last one, number 4. Request examples. Example prompt: give me quick notes on photosynthesis and include one example of where it's essential. So this is the best output from ChatGPT. By following these steps and utilizing the example prompts, you can effectively ask ChatGPT to organize your study notes, ensuring a well-structured and balanced enhance your productivity and personal well-being. So this is how you can get quick study notes from ChatGPT. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.